welcome back to my channel. So for today I have this makeup tutorial of this like golden sunset eye. I think it's super fun. I use like some gold leaf things around my eyes. As if you've never touched gold leaf, never do. It literally is the hardest thing ever. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and if you guys want to see how I got it, then go ahead and keep watching. I'm going to start by priming my eyelid with some Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just going to set my whole eyelid with a white shadow. First, dipping into this yellow from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm just going to put this all over my entire crease. Next, picking up this yellow-orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to go right up next to that yellow, just making it a little bit of a deeper color. Next, I'm picking up Eden from the AVH Prism palette. And this is going to start to blend into that yellow, but we're going to keep it a little bit lower. Next, picking up this fuchsia from the 39A palette. I'm first going to pack this onto the lid, and then we're going to blend it out with a fluffier brush. I'm picking up these two darker shades and putting that closer to the lash line. Okay, so I've applied some lashes from Powder Studio in the style Grace, and I'm going to go back in with that yellow color and begin to blend that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take some of Eden from that Prism palette and blend that right on top. And then I'm going to take those deeper purples on a little definer brush and put that right up against my lash line. I'm now going to take some of this gold leaf, and I'm just going to place that around the outer and the inner corner using some Duo Lash Glue. Alrighty guys, I had to do the gold leaf off camera because if you've ever worked with gold leaf, literally the most difficult thing ever. That took me longer than anything else took me. But here is the finished look. I think this is so cool. I love the gold. It just kind of like stares into you, you know? I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, you'll probably like my others, so make sure you subscribe down below. Yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.